Room again. Today we are going to be doing our second lesson on farm animals. We'll be doing some beat, but today we're going to be using something that we might find around the house. We're going to go and get some wooden spoons that we can use. So if you've got just two things you can gently tap together, could you go and get those now? And when you get back, we can start. Now we're back with our wooden spoons. And we're going to use those today to tap the beat of Baa Baa Black Sheep. We did this one last time. So, are you ready? And Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. That was wonderful. To try that again, we're going to do it keeping the beat on our knees. Are you ready? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. That was fantastic. Do you know, there is another song that we know about a sheep and a little girl called Mary. That's it, Mary had a little lamb. We can keep the beat with that one. Do you want to get your wooden spoons up again? And we can keep the beat with our wooden spoons. This one's a little bit slower on the beat, so watch as I tap my wooden spoons together and make sure you're keeping in time. Ready? And let me see, we'll start here. Ready, and Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. That was fantastic, you did a great job. I've got another friend with me in the music room today, and that's my friend Macca. Macca sits up the back of my chair. He's actually a llama, and you can have a llama on a farm, or a little llama, which is an alpaca. But this is my friend Macca, and he's a llama. And today, we're not going to actually sing a song about a llama. We're going to sing a song about horses. And what Macca is, he is a hobby horse, and you can gallop on him. I'm going to leave him here to listen for the first part while we learn the song. So Macca, could you just sit over here? That's it. A bit in the way, but we'll manage. And we will sing the song of bell horses. I want you to keep the beat on your knees while you listen for the first time, and the second time you can sing with me. Are you ready? Bell horses, what's the time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to go and play. This time, see if you can sing with me. Ready, and bell horses, what's the time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to go and play. Now, we are going to learn or gallop around in the area that we've got. So you might just gallop around in a circle on the floor, or you might gallop around a chair. Remember that the rhythm that we make with our feet when we're galloping, sorry Macca, you go over there. Whoops, there you go, you stay there for a minute, is this. This is the rhythm we make with our feet. See if you can make that sound with you, that rhythm with me. Ready, and that's right. So we can stand up and we can gallop around while we sing the song. Bell horses, what's the time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to go and play. Well done. If you have a hobby horse at home, after the lesson, you can go and get your hobby horse and you can ride your hobby horse around the room singing bell horses, like this. Bell horses, what's the time of day? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, time to go and play. Last week, perhaps we learned bingo and how we sing bingo with leaving out some of the letters. Today, we're not going to do the inner hearing part where we leave out the letters, but we are going to sing the song, and we're going to sing the song and keep the beat using our wooden spoons. So are you ready? They're ready, and there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, how did you go? Let's try it one more time just for practice. Ready, and there was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, that was wonderful. Well done. Do you want to just do one inner hearing one so that we leave out the B first up? Are you ready? We'll keep the beat on our knees this time. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, we could make this a little trickier. Let's say we leave out the I, but no other letters. This is really going to be tricky. Are you ready? There, we won't keep the beat this time on our knees. We'll just sing the song and leave out the I. You ready? There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, that was tricky. Maybe you could sing the song later and try and leave out one letter, different letter each time in a different part of the word. See how you go with that. That would be really tricky. Our next song that we're going to sing is one we did last week. This is something we would find in the barn, and they make lots of cobwebs. That's right, it's Incy Wincy Spider. And we learnt to manipulate our fingers to climb the spider up the spout. Remember, we point to the ground with one pointer finger and point to the sky with the other pointer finger and bring our fingers together like that. With our thumbs and our pointer fingers together. Ready? Remember, we turn it a bit and put our elbows out the side to make it easier. Let's sing the song and do the actions. Ready? And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. How did you go this week? Had you been practicing? I think you might have been. It's getting so much better. Let's do it a little bit faster now. Do you think you can do that? I'm sure you can. Are you ready? And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. That was great. You're doing a really good job. We are going to say a rhyme. You need to be able to tell me whether I'm using my speaking voice or my singing voice. This rhyme is about something you might have in the house or around the garden, or on the farm you might have it in the barn. This particular animal likes to catch mice to eat. Mind you, I have seen a few that don't, but mostly they like to catch mice. That's right, it's about a cat. This is a naughty pussycat. This is an old rhyme, so listen to it and see if I'm singing it or saying it. Naughty pussycat, you are very fat. You have butter on your whiskers, naughty pussycat. Am I singing that rhyme or saying that rhyme? That's right, I am saying that rhyme. Well done, I'm using my speaking voice. See if you can say the rhyme with me. We'll do it 2 more times. Ready? Naughty pussycat, you are very fat. You have butter on your whiskers, naughty pussycat. Let's try it 1 more time, and then perhaps when we've finished our lesson today, you could go and tell Mum and Dad that rhyme. Ready? Naughty pussycat, you are very fat. Oh, I made a mistake. Let me try again. Naughty pussycat, you are very fat. You have butter on your whiskers, naughty pussycat. We all make mistakes, and when we make mistakes, we just learn from them. So that's okay when we do make a boo-boo. All right, preps, I need to say goodbye today. So put your hands on your head for the high notes and hands on your shoulders for the lower notes. Good morning, Prep. And you sing good morning, Mrs. Lane. Ready? And good morning, Mrs. Lane. It was great to see you again. See you next time. Bye.